How to turn off voicemail on iOS 18. Voicemail, an option that many people find annoying and want to turn off on their phone. Stay until the end and find out how you could do it. Okay, first of all, we will open the settings on our phone. Once you've opened the settings, scroll all the way to the bottom. Tap on the Apps option. The list that appears contains all the applications that are on your phone. Find the phone app and tap on it. Here, find the call forwarding option and tap on it. If the option is on, tap on the switch and turn it off. Now go back one step and find the live voicemail option. When you find it, tap on it. Also, if the option is on, tap on the switch and turn it off. Now open the phone application. Go to keyboard and type this code. Press the Cal button. You should get a notification saying that the service was deactivated successfully. That's all. In this way, you have successfully turned off voicemail on iOS 18. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.